You want more? All right, I think that is a yes. Hey guys, thanks so much for being here with me today. My name is Leslie and I'm going to be doing a live unboxing and review of this product, Greenies Pill Pockets for Dogs. What this actually does is it says turns pill time into treat time. The first thing, this is going to be a game changer. This is a winner for my dog. They are peanut butter flavored. 10 out of 10, highly recommend because she literally will lick peanut butter from the ground. You can also see that it is a capsule size. You can see it is a capsule size, kind of like what you would assume like a little supplement or something would look like. This is also made with real peanut butter. There are 60 in this value size bag that I personally chose. So you're going to see there's basically 3 different steps. Very simple. You're going to fill the treat itself. Then we're going to pinch the top until it's completely covered. And then your dog is going to think that they are getting an awesome peanut butter flavored treat. Looks like it's actually crafted in the USA as well, which is awesome. Made with natural ingredients. They actually have the feeding guidelines, calorie content, ingredients, and who it was manufactured by all on the back in case you are interested in learning exactly how this was curated and where the products were sourced. So now I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see if my dog likes it. Let's do it together. There's actually a little like thing right here that you can strip it across and then you can actually reclose it. So let's do that together. Very easy. And then you can see it has like a little kind of like Ziploc concept to be able to reseal it very simply. So it is a very, as you can see, smushy kind of texture. So it looks like the pill goes in here and then I can close it on top. I'm not going to put a pill in here, but I am going to go ahead and do the little smushy thing and then see if my dog likes it. All right, so this is my dog, Lily. Sit. Good girl. She just came back from being outside, so we're going to see if she likes it. Come over here. All right, sit. Good girl. All right, here you go. All right, she's licking it. She's trying it out. She's spitting it back out. Let's see. She's very, very finicky. Oh, she's eating it. Yay! Good girl, Lily. You like it? Do you like it? You like the peanut butter? You want more? All right, I think that is a yes. I like it. My dog likes it. You might like it as well.